International Mother's Day. Hello and welcome to this video on some facts about Mother's Day. International Mother's Day is a holiday celebrated around the world to honor and appreciate mothers for their love, sacrifices, and contributions to their families and communities. It is celebrated on the second Sunday in May in most countries, although some celebrate it on different dates. History of International Mother's Day. The history of Mother's Day can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans, who held festivals to honor the mother goddesses Rhea and Cybele. However, the modern celebration of Mother's Day began in the early 20th century, thanks to the efforts of two women, Anna Jarvis and Julia Ward Howe. Anna Jarvis, an American woman, organized the first official Mother's Day celebration in 1908 to honor her own mother, who had passed away 3 years earlier. The celebration quickly gained popularity, and in 1914, President Woodrow Wilson signed a proclamation designating the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day in the United States. Julia Ward Howe, an American suffragette, writer, and social activist, had also proposed a holiday called Mother's Day for Peace in 1870. Her idea was to create a day for mothers to rally for peace after the devastation of the American Civil War. International Mother's Day traditions. International Mother's Day is celebrated around the world with various traditions and customs. Some popular ways to celebrate include 1. Sending cards and gifts to mothers to express gratitude and love. 2. Preparing special meals or taking mothers out to eat. 3. Holding family gatherings or reunions. 4. Planting trees or flowers in honor of mothers. 5. Organizing charity events or fundraising for causes that support mothers and children. In addition to honoring biological mothers, Mother's Day is also a time to celebrate mother figures such as grandmothers, stepmothers, and other maternal figures. Many people also use the occasion to honor the memory of mothers who have passed away. Frequently asked questions. When is International Mother's Day celebrated? International Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday in May in most countries, although some countries celebrate it on different dates. What is the origin of International Mother's Day? The modern celebration of Mother's Day began in the early 20th century thanks to the efforts of Anna Jarvis and Julia Ward Howe. How is International Mother's Day celebrated? International Mother's Day is celebrated around the world with various traditions and customs, including sending cards and gifts, preparing special meals, holding family gatherings, and organizing charity events. Is International Mother's Day a public holiday? International Mother's Day is not a public holiday in most countries, although some countries have declared it as a public holiday. What is the significance of International Mother's Day? International Mother's Day is a day to honor and appreciate mothers for their love, sacrifices, and contributions to their families and communities. How can I celebrate International Mother's Day? You can celebrate International Mother's Day by sending cards and gifts to your mother, preparing a special meal or taking her out to eat, holding a family gathering or reunion, planting a tree or flowers in her honor, or organizing a charity event or fundraiser for causes that support mothers and children. Is International Mother's Day celebrated in all countries? International Mother's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world, although not all countries celebrate it on the same date or in the same way. What is the difference between International Mother's Day and Mother's Day? Mother's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world, but International Mother's Day is a global holiday that honors mothers everywhere. Who can I celebrate on International Mother's Day? International Mother's Day is a day to celebrate and honor all mothers, including biological mothers, adoptive mothers, stepmothers, and grandmothers. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.